Today, let us see how we can construct a bar graph using a geoboard. The materials required to doing this activity is geoboard, some rubber bands, and data. So we have collected a data for which we are going to draw a bar graph. Now create axis on the geoboard. For that I'm using a rubber band. So the first axis is the horizontal axis. So using the rubber band, I'm just having this horizontal axis. And now I'm going to create a vertical axis. So this is the vertical axis. So after creating this axis, now I'm going to represent the scale for this bar graph. Let's now decide the scale for this bar graph. So as all the numbers are divided by 5, so I'm considering one unit as 5 items. So I'm keeping the scale here at the top. On the horizontal axis, I am having the items. So I can write here. So instead of writing, I have a ready-made slips. So which I have made it before. So first one is bench. So I'm keeping it here, bench. Then desk, blackboard, and fan and bulb. On the vertical axis is number of items. So I'm keeping a ready-made slip like number of items, or you can write on this vertical axis side. Now we will represent this data on this geoboard in the form of a bar graph. So I'm taking a rubber band. So first data which I have to represent is a bench, which is 40. So for that, it's like 1 unit is equal to 5 items. So I'll be counting in fives: 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So I have to put the rubber band to this knob, create a block kind of thing, and pull it down so that I create a bar kind of thing. So you can see the bar is in a rectangular form. In the same manner, I'm going to represent the desk, blackboard, fan, and bulb. So desk is 35, same way 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So from there, I'm going to draw it. So this is my desk, and blackboard is 5, so only 5 units. So fan is 20 units, so I'll make like 5, 10, 15, 20. Then 25 for bulb, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So now I've represented all the data which is here on the bar graph using the geoboard. So in this, when you're representing it in a bar graph, you can see the width of all the bars are same. See, every bar is having an equal width, but the height is changing. This height is different, this height is different, and this height is different, and this height is different. The height will change. And one more thing, between the bars, there should be a small gap which should be left. So I've left a small gap between the bars, and there is no fixed distance you have to leave, but there should be a gap between the bars. This you have to keep in mind. Thank you.